Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into one of those behind-the-scenes topics that can seriously level up your Python game: memory management. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple, step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what's going on every time you run your code. Let's start with the basics. In Python, memory management is mostly automatic, thanks to something called the garbage collector. Whenever you create a variable, like x equals 10, Python sets aside a spot in memory to store that value. But what happens when you don't need it anymore? That's where Python's memory management kicks in. Step 1. Reference counting. Every object in Python keeps track of how many references point to it. If you assign y equals x, now both x and y point to the same object, and the reference count goes up. When you delete one, the count drops. Once it hits 0, Python knows it's safe to free up that memory. That's the core idea behind reference counting. But sometimes things get tricky. Imagine two objects that reference each other, like two friends who only talk to each other and no one else. Even if you delete your only references to them, they still point to each other, so their reference counts never hit 0. That's called a circular reference. Python's garbage collector is smart. It checks for these cycles and cleans them up. Now, let's talk about the heap. When you create objects, Python stores them in a big pool of memory called the heap. It's like a giant warehouse, where all your stuff lives until you're done with it. The garbage collector regularly checks this warehouse, looking for things nobody's using anymore. If you want to see memory management in action, try importing the GC module. Just type import GC in your code. You can call gc.collect to force Python to clean up unused objects right away. It's a direct way to trigger a collection pass. It's handy if you're working with a lot of data and want to make sure you're not wasting memory. A few quick tips. Avoid creating unnecessary large objects. If you open files or network connections, close them when you're done. And if you're working with big lists or dictionaries, clear them out when you don't need them anymore. So, to sum up, Python handles most memory management for you, but knowing how it works can help you write better, more efficient code. Reference counting and garbage collection. Keep your programs running smoothly, and if you ever need more control, the GC module is there for you. That's it for this quick guide. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.